I'm going to tell you which personal credit cards are in my wallet for the month of January 2019. What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you want to learn how to travel anywhere in the world almost free by using credit cards and travel points, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. Before I start this video, I want to give a big shout out to Key Perry for commenting on one of my videos suggesting that I make a video about what cards I personally have open at the moment. So I don't want to make a long video of all the cards I have open because that'll be pretty boring. I don't really use most of them, but I'll just do the cards that I have open and using for the month of January 2019. Comment below what you think about this format of this type of video. This is new to me. And also if you have any other video suggestions that I make in the future. The first card in my wallet is the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. This is the card that I was using actually a lot this month because I literally just got back from a cruise yesterday. And on that cruise, I was using the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, which was connected to my account. So I was getting 3 points per dollar spent there. And I went to Mexico and Grand Cayman and was doing travel related activities there and used the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you want to learn how I was able to get the cruise from $2,600 to $101 for a 6-night Royal Caribbean cruise with my wife and 2 daughters, you could click the link above for that. As much as I loved the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, this year I think might be the last year that I keep it. I'm gonna think about downgrading it to the Chase Freedom Unlimited card just because competition is getting tough out there. There are so many great credit cards that easily match this and outdo the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So because there's so much competition and great other perks with other cards, I think I might have to say goodbye to the metal Chase Sapphire Reserve card soon. The next card in my wallet is the Chase World of High card. I was able to sneakily get this card right before it fell into the 524 rule because I'm way over 524, and as soon as I heard the announcement that the 524 rule would cover all Chase cards, I immediately applied for this card and instantly got approved. So happy about that. I'm mainly using the Chase World of High card to complete my minimum spending. So for everyday activities and spending that I usually do, I'm putting it on this card. So I have to spend essentially $6,000 in 6 months to get my 60,000 Hyatt points. So this is pretty much my everyday card for the time being. And then once the minimum spending is done with this card, I'll probably move on to other cards. This card, as well as all other cards, are falling under the Chase 524 rule. And this is definitely a keeper card. The annual fee is $95, but with that annual fee that I pay every year, I'm getting a free award night in a category 1 through 4. And they also have the option to get another free award night if you spend $15,000 a year on this card, but I rather put that spending elsewhere. The next card in my wallet that I'm using this month is the Chase Ink Preferred card. I actually got this card over the summer. I was visiting some family in New York and I stopped by Chase branch since I'm over 524 and applied for this card hoping that I would be pre-approved. And I was able to get approved for this card on the spot. So really happy about this because I already got the sign-up bonus of 80,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. But the reason why I'm using this, not only for my business expenses for Wise Flies, but I'm also experimenting with a new way to complete minimum spending and do creative spending, which is what I call it. Some people call it manufactured spending, but I think creative spending is a better term for it. So my experiment with the Chase Ink Preferred card, what I'm doing is I'm going to office supply stores and buying Amazon gift cards. So with this card, I'm getting 5 points per dollar spent at office supply stores like Staples, Office Depot, places like that. And I'm getting Amazon gift cards. And then what I'm doing is I'm buying products on Extreme Rebates and RebateKey.com. So these are sites where people who want to sell their Amazon products or other sites as well, they want to get reviews. So they're pretty much giving away their products for free in exchange for a positive review, because we all know if you shop on Amazon, we all look at the reviews, and the more reviews that a product has, the more likely we'll be able to buy it. So Extreme Rebates and Rebate Key are giving me a bunch of free stuff And the way I'm purchasing those products on Amazon is through gift cards, which I'm purchasing with this card at office supply stores. I like to go for the 100% rebate. This way I get all my money back and get a free product and just give it as a gift to anyone who wants it. The next card that I'm using for the month of January is the Barclays Aviator Advantage MasterCard business version. I got this card the same day that I got approved for the Chase World of Hyatt card. I figured I might as well just apply for both cards. I talk a little bit more about that in my Apparama video. You could click the link above for that. And basically, even though this card is a first purchase card for 60,000 American airline miles with an annual fee of $95, I don't really see any value in putting my ongoing spending with this card. But what I am doing is putting really small purchases on this card every single month to make it seem like I'm actually using this card and actually care about this card. And this way, 10, 11 months down the line, when I decide whether or not to keep it, most likely I'm not going to keep it unless some benefits or perks pop up on this card, which is doubtful. Then it'll show that I'm not actually just using this card one time since it's a first purchase to get the bonus and then cancel it. So I'm just using it to show that I'm a good customer to Barclays, and hopefully they want to approve me for more cards in the future. So let me know which credit cards you're using for the month of January 2019. I would love to know in the comments below. And if you want to watch more videos on credit cards and travel points, you could click any of these links over here, and I'll see you in the next video.